Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Smart, the channel that helps you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're reviewing the Jimveo E30 Pro, a portable projector that promises to bring a cinema-like experience right into your home. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Jimveo E30 Pro is a feature-packed projector. It comes with native 1080p resolution and 4K support. That means crisp and detailed visuals. With 850 ANSI lumens, you get a bright and clear image, even in moderately lit environments. Now, here's something cool. It has AI-powered autofocus that sharpens the image in just 3 seconds. No need for manual adjustments. And it even has an automatic lens cover. That protects it from dust and scratches. For connectivity, it features Wi-Fi 6 and Ethernet for stable and fast streaming. Plus, it supports Bluetooth 5.2 bidirectional. That means you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker or connect it to external sound systems. So, what makes this projector worth it? First, the autofocus technology ensures your image is always sharp. No more fiddling with settings. The auto lens cover keeps the projector protected, so it lasts longer. It also has keystone correction and zoom functions. This means your image will always be aligned perfectly, even if the projector isn't placed straight in front of the screen. And here's another plus. The sealed optical system prevents dust from getting inside. That helps maintain image quality over time. In our tests, the Jimveo E30 Pro delivered vivid colors, sharp contrast, and impressive brightness. The 850 ANSI lumens were great for indoor use and even worked outdoors at night. Now, about the speakers. The built-in sound is decent, but for a truly immersive experience, we recommend connecting external speakers via Bluetooth. And here's what really surprised us. The autofocus feature is fast and accurate. Even when we moved the projector, it quickly adjusted to keep the image sharp. So, what's the verdict? After testing the Jimveo E30 Pro, we can say it's a fantastic choice. Here's what we loved. Check excellent image quality. Super fast autofocus. Great connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Auto lens cover for extra protection. But there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The built-in speakers are okay, but for better sound, use external speakers. It doesn't have a built-in smart OS, so you'll need a Fire Stick, Roku, or another device for streaming apps. Still, for the price and features, the Jimveo E30 Pro is a great investment for home entertainment. So, is the Jimveo E30 Pro worth it? If you want a versatile, high-quality projector with modern features, yes, it's perfect for movies, gaming, and presentations. If you want to check it out, the purchase link is in the description below. And hey, if you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Shop Smart, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.